Welcome back. Let's do question 122. We are simplifying algebraic fractions here. So we have this fraction 5 over x plus 3 minus 3 over 2 minus x. So how do we simplify algebraic fractions? We need to find the LCD, the lowest common denominator. So what is it here? LCD is equal to x plus 3 times 2 minus x. So the first fraction, we have to multiply its numerator by 2 minus x and the denominator by 2 minus x so that we have the same denominator. And then the second fraction, we're going to multiply the denominator by x plus 3 and the numerator by x plus 3. So it's going to be 5 and then 2 times 2 minus x over x plus 3 times 2 minus x. Then minus 3, we are multiplying this one by x plus 3 so that we have the same denominator. This is x plus 3 over 2 minus x times x plus 3. Okay, so we have the same denominator here, x plus 3 times 2 minus x. So we can subtract the numerators. So we have 5, then 2 minus x minus 3, x plus 3. All this over the same denominator there, which is x plus 3, then 2 minus x. And then we can distribute 5 there, distribute negative 3 there. Let's just do that. So 5 times 2 is 10, and then 5 times negative x is negative 5x. Then negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Then negative 3 times positive 3, that's negative 9. And then over x plus 3, then 2 minus x. Right, so negative 5x minus 3x is negative 8x. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. So we remain with 1 minus 8x over x plus 3 times 2 minus x. We have simplified our algebraic fractions.